Alright, this is White Horse house repair, home repair. I'm just trying to remove the hot water heater now that I got all of this out of the way. Got my electricity disconnected. I got the pipes cut. And just to show you, I'm going to maybe try to use these elbows as well. These little 90s here, I'm going to try to reuse these on both sides. The hot and the cold side. Okay? So just to let y'all know, I'm going to try to reuse those if I can. And now I'm trying to attempt to take the hot water heater out of the closet. Okay?
Let it fall?
No, I'm not gonna let it fall. I'm gonna try to take my time.
Oh, I don't know, dude.
Try to take my time and just try to slowly take it out. It might get wet from the water. Water gonna come out of it. You see what I'm saying? Set it down. Wow.
Dude, look at that. Oh, holy crap. Dude, that's some rust.
See that?
Yeah.
Okay. And there's your hot water heater that's out. And it's out of there. And if you want to look in here, I want to show this too. Here's your drain plug for the pan back here. See that? So we can attempt to try to put in the new drain plug on a new drain pan. I got another drain pan, and what we could try to do is try to get the new used drain pan if we want. We could try to sweep that out if we want to clean that out at the time.
Dude.
So she's out of there, right? So we'll be back in a minute. We're gonna try to get this cleaned up and try to get some of this cleaned up.